Everyone, I'm Vani, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. Asnis Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Here is my lecture video series on topic JavaScript function. Let's see. What is a JavaScript function? It is a block of code that perform a particular task. Here is an example that we have to declare the JavaScript within a document HTML. In that HTML document, in the script we have to define the function my function p1 and p2, return the value p1 into p2. We have to give the function product1 and product2 in order to perform the function product p1 and p2. Here are the types of functions in a JavaScript. The functions in JavaScript can be defined in various types. There is function declaration, function expression, array function, IIFE, async function, shorthand method, etc. Let's see what are the types and what is the purpose of the functions. The first one, we are going to see the function declaration. It is the function declaration is the standard way to define a function that is in the form of a storytelling form. To start, that begins with the start to finish process. We use function keyword to define a function, which is followed by the name of function, then the parenthesis, then the open and closes parenthesis, and finally we continues with the curly braces, open and close, in order to access function body. In this example, we are giving the function name greet with the open and closing parenthesis, the console.log, in order to perform the print statement. The output will be displayed as the hello world, which is given in the console. It is a straightforward function where you can give a require output to be displayed. The next one is function expression. Function expression is more than assigning a task to a variable. You can create an anonymous function, that is a function without a name, and assign a variable to it. These cannot be hoisted, so that you need to define them before you call them. Here is an example that constant say goodbye is equal to function console.log. In the given parenthesis, we have to give goodbye world. Say the output will be goodbye world. Here you define say goodbye as a function before using it in the code. This is the major difference between a function declaration and a function expression. The next one is array function. It is introduced in JavaScript ES6. Array function provides a more concise syntax for writing functions in a JavaScript. They are especially handy one for the one-liners and can omit in a function keyword and return statement. Array function is a lexical, that is this value, meaning that they inherit this from the parent scope at the time they are defined, not when they are called. Here const and equal to, we have to declare the variable a b, which initializes the value a plus b. The output will be the value of a and b will be declared, so the addition will be performed and output will be displayed. The array function are great for short simple function, particularly used for callbacks or function arguments. The next one is IIFE, which is an function expression that run as soon as they are defined. They enclose with parentheses to avoid syntax error. Here the function parenthesis opening and have to declare the output. It is used to for creating a private scopes and executing code immediately after without polluting a global namespace. The next one is async function. Async is a special type of function that deals with the asynchronous operations, more comfortable and readable. The words asynchronous is simply mean that it happens immediately, a direct sequence of a command. Here asynchronous function, in that we are using a response and data, so that the data will be fetched from the user, and it will be synchronized with the keyword await and used to wait for the fetch operation to complete, moving to the next line. This makes the code look and behave like a synchronous code. These are the following functions handled in JavaScript. Thank you. We can move on to the next lecture series on the next lecture video.